Okay, so this area here in Paitilla is a mixture of houses, as you can see, and high rises. So you got a mixture of both. This is a residential area. I'm gonna call this Paitilla. I believe this park is in Paitilla. But this is a really nice residential park. They have workout areas there for you to work out. Parque Marina. This is the name of the park here. They also have a dog park, gated dog park, where people can come bring their dogs. Someone knocked over the trash can. See, they do have several trash cans, but still people don't always put stuff in trash. But this is a very nice park area. Unless a dog or something got in the trash, looks like. Yeah. Okay. So these are all residential areas. See all those high rises up there? All apartments. Torre Almar, another apartment building. All of these are apartments. We're now in the Paitilla area. So I'm going to walk this way. This is primarily residential. They do have some shops, as we will soon see when I get around this corner. But this area is not far from the main Balboa area, but if you want it to be not directly on the main street, but still in the city, of course, this is an area that you can consider. Lots of choices. Vistamar. Oh, I know somebody who used to live in that building. Vistamar building. These are all high-rise apartments. The city living is a lot of high-rise living, so keep that in mind as well. But also keep in mind that there are budgets for all people, all price ranges, from really expensive to more modest prices. Here's a nail place. I think there are like two nail places that are very close to each other. Was that did they change the name? There's a paddleball court, an indoor paddleball court over there. And this is another area that has all kinds of, there's another Foodies, Peter Pan, all kinds of shops that are over there. Here's a Metro Plus, kind of like a CVS. So this is the Paitilla area of Panama. You got banks, you got all kinds of shops. Let me get out of the street. And this street takes you to our main area, which I think I'm gonna go around this block. so you can see the other area of Paitilla. But there is an Asian grocery store over there that I've been to. So if you want to get like those specialty items, Asian spices, I love Asian cooking. See it right there? Paitilla Max Mini. Yeah. Paitilla Mini Mart. That's it. Mini Max. That's the name. Paitilla Mini Max. Has all kinds of bok choys and 10 different types of mushrooms and all kinds of different soy sauces. Anything you want to get. Okay, so we're coming across the main road up here, which is Avenida Balboa, which is where a lot of the expats live further down. Oh, I just noticed there's a cycle house over there. Might have to try that out one day. I wonder how much. I have to look that up online and see how much that costs. Okay, so I'm going to be taking a right at this street. Okay, I saw the price of this barber, $6.99. To get your hair blow dried is $6.99. So I need to take a picture of that. There's a Popeyes on the corner. And if you notice the familiar sign, that Conway sign over there, it's also owned by Target. And it's a pretty nice store. I like that sort of, I like going to Conway. Reminds me I need to get some stuff for my apartment. Okay, so I'm going to be heading to the right. To the left is Santa Castera. To the right is a bunch of shops. I have never been in any of these stores, but as you can see, they have all sorts of clothing, all kinds of prices. Yeah, this is like a department store. It's boarded up because of the protest. It's closed, so they don't want anybody busting in there. Okay, so I am on the back side. There's a mailbox, etc. There's several mail companies that you can use to order packages from Amazon and stuff like that. Alright, so once again, these are high-rise buildings. See the trash that people just throw out. Yeah. This is Total Dollar. It's kind of like a dollar store. To do a dollar. I always call it Total. To do a dollar. Bunch of little shops on the street. Along with, oh, Mirabelle. That's a Mirabelle. I know someone that used to live in that building. Mirabelle apartment building over there. Oh. Okay, so this is Paitilla. As you can see, these are the high rises. lot of these places are boarded up and they're closed because we are in the middle of a protest. So some businesses are operating and some are not. Now if you have a car, it's one of the gas stations. Okay, I haven't been in this place, but it's a kosher bakery restaurant called Jeffrey's. You see it's all boarded up. It's a gas station. Yeah, I need to try that one day. I heard good things about it, but I have not eaten there. So this is the price of gas. Wow. That can't be real. I guess because of the shortage, the prices went up. That's outrageous. And maybe that's why there were 5 attendants standing at the gas tenant with no customers. There's Banco General. You see how the bank is boarded up? Because of the protesters, they didn't want anybody trying to break in. Keep the vandals out. Keep out the criminal element. So that's what's going on here. If you Google Panama protest over a mining contract, you can get more information if you desire. But a mining contract was signed by the government and it was not discussed with the people because Panama is a republic. So things have to be discussed. Here's another building, Pacific Sun, which is another apartment building. So all of these, although they might not look like apartment buildings, but they are residential high rises. It looks like they're going to Pilates. See, Pacific Sky is another. I had a girlfriend that used to live there. So we're in Paitilla. This is the Paitilla Mall. There is a aroma store, gourmet grocery store. There is a Organica, which is very pricey. I went in there for a few items and I was like, no. So all kinds of stuff over there in the Paitilla Mall. So we do know this area right here is Paitilla. We do know that. Once again, these are all apartments. Las Mariana. All of these are apartments. Let me get on this sidewalk. So what we did was we just basically did a big loop. We are back around the Pacific Center, which had banks and has shopping and supermarket. It has like a very nice food court in this center right here. Also the Panama City, where you can get services done. Here's an apartment building called the Pacific Sea. All sorts of nice apartment buildings here in Paitilla. We did like a complete circle. Sky is getting dark. This is the raining season. Alright, well I hope you have enjoyed this walk around the neighborhood of the Punta Pacifica Paitilla area. And stay tuned for my next neighborhood walk.